So where are we, Carol?
The oil can cafe at the Carding Shed.
It's very cold.
It's very cold, very
icy.
slippy. But some people...
hats off to the guys that come on the bike. Oh, it's busy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
It looks like nothing from the outside, does it?
No. Santa's sleigh still in here. Well, look what's come.
I'll warm you
You've
up.
even got a flame. It's a meal on its own, Carol.
It is.
Well, what you had? Christmas cake and cheese?
Yeah, I love fruit cake and
Look
cheese.
at the depth of the jam in that.
Yeah, it's corker, isn't it?
Oh, cracking stuff. Some American plates up here. Iowa.
So they've got a driver's seat.
That all that's in it?
The passenger seat's got took out. They just seem to have rear seats,
Okay.
but
Got like a fire extinguisher in the back as well. Really unusual place, isn't it?
yeah.
All the steering wheels. Not quite sure where the door goes.
Seems to be something missing
I
there.
think there's a bit missing from the fire escape there.
Yes.
Car park's proper snowy down there. Look.
It is, isn't it?
Brave of those bikers to come on bikes though.
Yeah, some
Too
hard
cold for us, isn't it? How many gauges there from how many cars do you think? Shall we go and check out the showroom?
Aye. Road Tracks Jap Speedway bike.
Yeah, big cog on the back. No front brake.
Ooh, yeah.
You wouldn't like no front brake, would you?
No, I do like my front brake. Oh, I think it's cold in there. It's cold in here. We ain't going to be spending much time in here. Still got music.
Oh dear, we've got Christmas music playing, I'm afraid, but Benelli 2-stroke 125. I don't think I've ever seen one of those before.
2-stroke propulsion inline facing the gear, produced by Benelli in various versions, also with Motabi and Moto Guzzi brands from 1972 to 1985.
Ah, an old Norton and an old Velocet there.
Police box.
There is actually a phone in the police box. Is that a Dodge Charger?
General Lee.
I mean, it's a big old beast, isn't it?
It's massive, isn't
You
it?
stand round the other side to give it scale. That is monster, isn't it? I mean, the bonnet must
How
be
wide
6 foot.
it is, yeah. How long it is.
What's it say on the back? Is it a Dodge?
It says Charger at
I
the
think
front.
it's a Dodge Charger, yeah. Just didn't realise
Just didn't appreciate how big they were.
So massive.
Yeah.
And contrast that to the original
Fiat 500. Yeah. Yeah, I mean that's small even compared to the Mini next to it, and the Mini was small.
Go on, you stand one side of it. So 2 of us in an original Fiat 500.
Yeah, it'd be tight.
Be tight, yeah.
You drive one of them?
Yeah, you
That was
owned
my
one of those,
first
didn't
car,
you?
wasn't it?
Yeah. You actually owned a white, well,
nice,
it was like a
beige.
Beige, I think it was.
Beige,
Yeah.
I think, yeah.
A beige Mini City which dropped in holes,
Yes.
just like all the British Leyland cars did at that age. So what's this then, Carol?
This is called the Beast.
Is it?
It's got a Jaguar V12 engine.
Seats look mega uncomfortable.
$1939 Armstrong and Siddeley Town and Country Saloon.
Is that a Triumph TR7?
It is, yes.
I think it's a TR7.
Yeah.
Actually, they were quite maligned in the time, the Triumph TR7, but I think the V8 one that they put in, was it V8? Got the Rover V8
Asking
in
the
it?
wrong person, I really don't know.
Yeah.
TR6
You can tell how
here.
well they're made though. The shut lines, the bonnet's got about 5 centimetre bigger gap that side than it has that side. TR6 looks classier than the TR7, doesn't it?
Does really, yeah.
Older though, isn't
It's
it?
a lot older, yeah.
You didn't know me when I owned my
I
Ford
didn't.
Capri, did you?
No, before my time.
Yeah, my Capri had got the oblong lights on, which was the older one, and it was black, and it was a JPS special. And it had the 3 litre engine before they went to 2.9 injection. Great cars in the time. Sort of mimicked the American cars. It says Capri 2.1. I don't think they ever made a 2.1.
It's Jaguar.
Jag. Is that the XK? It just says XK.
4.2. Blimey.
Yeah,
It's quite a nice colour actually. I bet if you saw it in the sunlight, it'd sparkle.
yeah.
It's a bit
Well, apart from the rusty bit.
rusty bit. Yeah.
Isn't that like the Jag that the Saint used to drive?
I don't know.
Oh,
4
somebody tell
litre.
me.
4
I
litre.
thought the Saint drove one of these.
Probably did. Did he drive a Scimitar?
Fun?
Who drove a Scimitar?
I don't know. Ian Ogilvy? Or are we talking about the ex-Bond guy? Not Sean Connery, Roger Moore.
Jaguar XJS.
XJS, yeah. Is that what they call a shark nose? BMW.
Oh, could be. Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah. Just proper classic BM, isn't it?
Bentley. Probably can't give old Bentleys away, can they? Costs so much
Imagine
to
running
keep on the road.
Yeah.
About 300 quid a throw for each
I
tyre.
bet it is, yeah.
There's a workshop in there, there is, isn't
Yeah, I think you can book garage tours actually. If you look on their website, they've got certain open days where you could
there?
go around the
Ah. I mean, it
garage.
looks like they've got proper panel rollers there.
Yeah,
They,
doing bodywork, yeah.
yeah, doing, yeah. Get what they call them, is it an English wheel where they roll panels?
That is over there, that's
Sorry?
under the cover, look. Old thing, isn't it?
Well, there's a camper, the VW camper,
Oh, I was looking more at that.
the hot rod.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you've seen all the cycles, look,
Yeah.
all hanging from the roof.
It's quite a collection, isn't it?
Yeah. Mr.
Nice.
Martin in there.
Very nice.
0007 packs.
That's a cool number plate, isn't it?
Sorry?
A cool number
That is a
plate.
cool plate, yeah. The Peugeot 205 GTI as well. It's another classic in its time.
What's the blue and white one on the ramp there? That's an old...
Oh, I don't know. It's a
Did
bit
your dad
before
have
my
one of
time.
those?
Yeah, it could have
Might
done.
have
Could
been
be
a
like
picture-
something like a Hillman.
When your mum and dad got married, I think there's a picture of them with a car like that.
I think there is, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is the Carding Shed. Holmfirth.
Holmfirth, yes.
There's some brilliant riding roads around here.
Yeah,
so
definitely. We're
in the
coming
summer,
on the bikes.
we
We'll be
will
back.
return on the bikes.
Yeah, but it's been a nice look round, and there's a lot of
Yeah.
nice things, especially cars more than bikes here.
Cars,
But,
probably more. They've got a few bikes here.
yeah, but the cake was good.
Oh, cakes. Cakes are brilliant. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye-bye.